Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before I start working on the Hyundai, please help me subscribe and click that bell notification so you guys be notified when I have new videos. Right now I'm working on a 2018 Hyundai Elantra 1.6 turbo, and I'm doing the oil change on this. Now here's the drain bolt, 17mm. Oil filter is right next to it. Dirty. Let it drain out. The new oil filter, I put a little bit of oil on the gasket so that way it sits better. Just put them on. Hand tighten, not too crazy. There you go. The drain bolt. Just a little bit so it's tight. Snug it. That's it. For this Hyundai, it takes 530. Since it's turbo, I'm putting synthetic in. So you see 530 full synthetic, and I believe this takes around 4.5 quarts. So I put in 4 quarts, and I'm gonna check it. Yeah, right there, right on the mark. I don't know if you guys can see it, but right on the mark. The full right there. So that's perfect. The oil filter is going to take it down a little bit. So that's going to show you how to reset the oil life. So key on, and I'm going to toggle through the menu. Service interval set. You can see it's already set to 5,000, but I want to set it at 49. You can leave it at 5,000 too, but 49 should be okay. Give them a heads up before it hits 5,000. There you go. Back and save. That's it. Turn off the car. Turn it back on. And that's it, guys. So it's just oil change for the Hyundai. You guys new to the channel, please help me subscribe. If you're having a comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.